Today are the beds number 6, number 7, and number 8. The bed 6 is also big on size. Here I have cucumbers, small melons, brassicas, leeks, and beans. I use this bed also to plant carrots and onions on the borders, and use the in-betweens to put babies getting used to the sun. The true companions are at the corners where I have fennel, oreganos, rue, and lemongrass. Bed 7 is the Chillies corner. I have 6 different variants: cayenne, jalapenos, bishop, the Portuguese piripiri with 2 varieties, and lemon drops. I also have oregano and rue here. The strawberries bed is the number 8, with extra protection against thievery. They are surrounded by garlic and rosemary stays in the middle. And we are near the end. Only 2 beds are missing for you to see all my companions. Stay with me for the last ones.